Drug overdoses. They're killing a stunning number of Americans. A preliminary report from the CDC, now out, confirms what many feared. The number of drug overdose deaths hit a record high amid the pandemic. The CDC reports nearly 97,000 drug overdose deaths in the 12-month period that ended in March of this year. That's up about 30% from the same period the year before. The increase in fatalities coincides almost to the day with the deadliest periods of the pandemic, when stay-at-home orders radically changed daily life for Americans. According to the CDC, only 3 states, the ones in green here, reported declines in drug overdose deaths during that period. And only 1 state, those were New Hampshire, New Jersey, and South Dakota. But in Vermont, it was the other extreme. It reported an 85% surge in OD deaths. That's the biggest increase of drug overdose deaths in any state.
It really is sad to see these kinds of numbers in drug overdoses, but it's also not at all surprising. But I guess a silver lining of this could be it clearly demonstrates what needs to be done from our leadership in this country. Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Jackson White, co-founder and chief of content at Politiscope, and thank you for once again tuning in to TYT. Now, what needs to be done about this? Obviously, many things. Not just healthcare. We know that changing the healthcare system where people can't as easily abuse drugs, or to where people potentially, have just easier overall financial access to services. One of the bigger problems is that people's day-to-day lived experiences just don't meet what they expected. People who are living paycheck to paycheck, living 2 or 3 jobs to make ends meet, people who aren't able to send their children to schools and opportunities that they like because they don't have the money, people who have to deal with the stress of not having health insurance because they can't afford it, or deciding what they will and won't pay for this year versus last year as the cost of living continues to skyrocket, as the job market changes and people's education hasn't really truly prepared them for where things are going. As jobs disappear, automation takes place. All of these things contribute to people's mental health, to people's physical well-being, which drives us to abuse substances, because everybody wants to have a sense of peace. That's really what this truly is about. People, we all generally want the same things. We want to feel safe. We want to feel like we have freedom. We don't want to feel smothered. And we want to feel like we matter, like we have a purpose, like we're not here for any reason, not here for no reason, rather. And so obviously the pandemic really had a big impact on this, because people weren't able to enjoy one another's social circles and just being around people. So, again, this is really sad to see how these numbers are spiking. But again, it also clearly shows the importance of being politically involved, because this is a direct result of how we have our society structured. The types of opportunities we have access to versus the ones that we don't, because of who's in charge and who we allow to be in charge, rather, and what they're doing about the issues that we all face.